I think I finally perfected my wavy hair care routine, and today I'm going to show you everything in this video. Whenever I wash my hair, my goal is to really clean my scalp of any residue. I use this on my scalp and gently massage with my fingertips. This helps clean my scalp and get the blood flowing. It also just feels really nice, but try not to use your nails because that can be damaging. After rinsing, I use this balancing conditioner. It made my coarse hair super soft, so I absolutely love it. I'm almost done with the bottle, so I gotta go purchase it again. But I also layer with another conditioner to make it like a deep conditioning mask. This is kind of my go-to routine after doing a blow dry with heated styles. I know my hair be so dry and thirsty, so this is how I bring back my waves. After you get out of the shower, first thing you want to do is make sure your hair is wet. If you don't have wet hair, get a spray bottle like this and just spray, making sure that you have wet hair to work with. The reason why you want to have wet hair to work with is that it will decrease frizz, it will help your products absorb better, and it will also help define your waves. Next, I'm going to use this leave-in product from Kenra. It's hydrating leave-in and it's very, very lightweight. So if you don't want to weigh your hair down, I highly recommend trying this one. It's the only thing that is super strong in moisturizing your hair, but also not weighing it down. And I use this whenever I blow dry my hair too. But whenever I want to wear it wavy, my hair is naturally just very coarse and extra dry. It's so thirsty. Water! So I have to layer in with another leave-in conditioner. If you watched my other videos, I've used this for probably 3 years because my hairdresser, she recommended it to me, so it's amazing. So thick hair girlies, you will really love this. If you have extra thick and coarse, you should try layering leave-ins like me. Make sure you get it in the back of your head too. Sometimes I neglect the back of my head because I'm always like this, but I don't do the back of my hair. So now I'm very conscious of it. After leave-in, we gotta brush it. And if you get hair that is super tangly like mine, what you wanna do is just like hold it like this first. Brush the ends so it doesn't hurt your scalp, and then move up. You see how it gets tangled there? That's when I hold it, and then it doesn't hurt my head. It also doesn't pull your hair out either. You just want to be really gentle because hair is fragile when it's wet. I'm gonna brush your hair until it's all detangled. Take this brush, you just brush your hair in, and then you twirl it all the way up like this to get some definition like that. Let me show you one more time. Brush going outwards, okay? Brush going outwards with a little bit of tension. Then you twirl it all the way up to the handle, let it go, and then you get something like that. You see the difference between this and that? It will give you crazy definition. I rarely ever get frizz anymore because of this technique. So just do this for the rest of your hair. If you are doing this for the first time, I recommend using a claw clip going from bottom to top. I'm pretty used to this already, so that's why I just go in and do it like this. Now we're gonna do this side. One thing I wanna mention really quick too is if you're going towards a certain direction and the hair absolutely will not curl and it's just acting funky, it's because it probably wants to go the opposite direction that you want it to go. And sometimes it's a compromise. Now I'm going to go back in with this light defining cream. It just helps hold it better and last longer within the week. I put a little bit here, scrub my hands together. Now I just lightly put on my hair like this. Okay, it's still there. And a few of my hair as well. Now I'm going to go in this side, go over it like this. Very, very lightly because you don't want to lose everything you just did. Once you did that, now you go back in, scrunch it. Go from the bottom to top like this, and then scrunch. But just hold it for about 10-20 seconds. Oh my gosh, I look so funny. You can kind of see the difference between this side versus this side that I haven't scrunched yet. This side has a little bit more volume, this side has no volume. So go in from the bottom, scrunch and hold. The reason why you want to scrunch and hold is because it will be less frizz that way. Come back in with defining jelly. About this much. And this was really lightweight, by the way, so there's never any crunchiness at all. Same thing on this side. scrunch and hold again. Now that we have all of our products in, I'm going to use this sealing spray to lock in all of the moisture. And I'm just going to do 2 sprays on each side because this is actually very moisturizing. If you use too much of this, your hair will be oily, but if you use just enough, you're going to see shine. I am going to just scrunch it in lightly again. And if you notice, I've been using a lot of Canva products. I think the line is just amazing and it's the only thing that's made my hair soft. While your hair is drying, remember to not touch it at all or else you're going to cause frizz. Try not to touch it. Once it dries, you're going to feel a hard cast on your hair. Crunch it out like this and it will become soft again. We're going to use the same technique as before and scrunch and hold. Sometimes you have to scrunch a couple of times to get the gel cast out, but it eventually goes away. Like I do 2 times and that's pretty much good. After that, you want to separate them so you can get more volume and it doesn't look so Goldilocks-ish. Just separate them like this, but very gently. I'm gonna do all of this side and then show you the difference. You see the difference between this side? This side is just more like flowy and a lot more volume than this. We're gonna do the same on this side. Okay, then you wanna fluff up the roots like this so you can get a little bit more volume.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun.
I'll link all of the products down in the description below. If you wanna see how I maintain my hair throughout the whole week, I have another video that you can watch here.
I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance.